This is Chippy with Meego News, and we're with Basyskom here at Meego Conference Spring 2011. Jeremiah Bosch from the company is going to show us a new tablet UI, like a demonstrator they've been working on. We've seen the Intel tablet UX experience a number of times, but I think it's important now to show that it's easy to create other user experiences. Obviously we're using the XOPC demonstrator here, Meego 1.2 I guess,
yes,
and this is written in of course Qt. So Jeremiah, do you want to give us a quick overview of what the project is and then show us the UI?
So our thought was actually how can we change the user experience from the normal desktop, and how does the user actually interact with touch devices. So our idea was that normally you have a project you're actually running on, you have some kind of thing you're working on, and it's all together with applications which you're using. You have different activities actually. So we have here on the left, on the right hand, an activity view, which is actually allowing you to switch between different activities. So for example, you're having here your diploma thesis, and you're actually, beside that, you're planning your grandmother's birthday, and you just log it in.
So these are like sort of task-based home screens that you could add, for example?
Yeah, you can tell it that way,
yeah,
yes.
Yeah.
Well, the core feature and what we are implementing here is the way how you add new stuff to your activity. So
right.
It's about recommendations, and these recommendations will take information from your sensor data.
Yeah.
So like from GPS, from your time, what you have done before and this place. And so on the other side you have your recommendation list, right, which allows you to simply do, it shows you new stuff you can do which fits to your current activity.
So based on the content that's on the screen, yes, now, there's logic that you've written into this UI that then selects more content, yes, that might be applicable to, yes, this and, screen.
We are working here on a research project, so we're researching new ways for people to interact with touch devices, because the current way to interact is through directories and all this stuff. It doesn't really fit your finger, and that's the idea. And mobile devices in particular, but all devices do have certain sensors, as I said, like the GPS, and it will just help you to get faster to what you want actually.
Yeah.
And
does it search through online content as well as offline? Sorry,
yes,
I mean local as well as cloud-based?
Yes. So what you see here on the desktop is Plasma Active from the KDE project.
Right.
So it's running on Meego, and what we have in the background is Nepomuk. This is our data store, and we are taking their data out. And as I said, the research project is running on with a university. They are doing all the research on how do I gather all the data. I mean, it's a lot of data there. And another part of it is that we are starting to think about concepts. So from the Facebook side, for example, you have the like button, but you don't have it on your local PC. Why not? Because that's the thing. You like this data, you like this picture on your computer, and this will all come together in a recommendation.
So let's just run through those UI elements again. You've got this screen switching component on the right hand side, so that allows you to scroll through the existing screens. You can lock one into place, so select it by locking that, and then you get the elements. So what about the elements? What about the UI components on the screen there?
Yeah, alright. So for example, you have here the locations. You can easily scroll through here. We have thoughts about making it popping up when you make a zoom gesture, for example. You can do context sensitive menus. You can well,
There you go.
selected.
Okay. Yep.
And well, it's working for all of this. When you click, for example, the web browser here, it actually opens up the web browser.
Yeah.
And just
And here's the context-sensitive menu on the left-hand side that's searching through content to provide relevant content.
Yeah.
That's good. That's a nice UI. Nice look. Nice transitions.
so in the top you have your normal status bar, which gives you all the ideas of well, networking and echo and battery status, and
Can I just ask you a question? How long did it take you to put this together? And
Well,
did you use previously available components to do it?
So the project original was kicked off several weeks ago. So they were a huge kickoff, and I think it's about 6 or 8 weeks old.
Right.
So what you see here is a mock-up of this idea, and the first release is planned for October this year.
Right.
So it's Plasma Touch, or Plasma Active here, and yeah,
Good.
thing.
That's great. All right. That's what do you actually call this product? Do you have a name for the product at
It's
all?
Plasma Active.
Just Plasma Active.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's Plasma Active for Basyskom. They're in Darmstadt in Germany. Go and check them out on the internet. This is a Chippy at Meego Conference, Spring 2011 with Meego News. Thanks for watching.